viewers, welcome to ERi-TV. This is English news broadcast for this hour with me, Bersabet Taghla. These are the major headlines for today. Microcredit and savings program in Central Region to expand its customer base. Elections of area administrators and managing directors in Gly Subzone. Nigeria and Niger sign security deal. And Serbia and France sign a deal for sale of French fighter jets. On your domestic reports, the Microcredit and Savings Program in the Central Region reported its ongoing efforts to expand its customer base and extend the credit to enhance the economic capacity and living conditions of citizens. Mr. Samson Johannes, the regional manager of the program, stated that the initiative is creating favorable conditions for nationals in remote areas to become beneficiaries and increase their productivity. He added that the program allows individuals or groups to receive loans ranging from 30,000 to 150,000 NAFA. Mr. Samson also noted that in the first half of 2024, approximately 32 million NAFA in loans were dispersed to 10,264 customers, demonstrating the growing public awareness of the program's benefits. "15 administrative areas in the Gly Subzone of the Gashbarka region have held elections of area administrators and managing directors, as well as village coordinators. The elections aimed to replace outgoing administrators and managing directors. Mr. Desier Zeremikael, the subzone administrator, stated that the elections are part of efforts to expand administrative services. He urged the newly elected area administrators, managing directors and village coordinators to serve the people diligently and to enhance public participation in the ongoing development initiatives. The newly elected officials expressed their readiness to serve the public with commitment. On your last local report, residents of the Af'ab subzone, in collaboration with members of the defense forces, are conducting extensive water and soil conservation campaigns. The campaigns, which began in July and involve over 3,000 participants daily, have so far resulted in the construction of about 85,000 meters of terraces, over 8,000 cubic meters of water diversion schemes, and the renovation of 33 kilometers of dirt road. Mr. Hagos Gebretinsaye, head of Agriculture Office in the subzone, noted that the campaigns are being conducted across all administrative areas in the subzone and will significantly contribute to environmental stabilization and increased agricultural production. Participants highlighted the importance of these campaigns in boosting their agricultural output and expressed their determination to continue participating until the program achieves its goals. The viewers will be back shortly with your international reports and more, so please stay tuned. Welcome back. The Nigerian military said on Thursday that Nigeria and Niger have signed a deal to boost their security cooperation despite tensions between the neighbors since the coup in Niger a year ago. Both parties reaffirmed their commitment to resuming and strengthening collaboration with a view to ensuring regional stability and security. A Nigerian military statement said after the signing of a memorandum of understanding by the nation's defense chiefs in Niamey on Wednesday. Ties between the two countries soared after Niger's junta toppled Mohamed Bazoum, and the July 2023 coup has also split the economic community of West African states, raising questions about the fight against Islamist violence in the region. Under the deal signed this week, Niger reaffirmed its readiness to resume active participation in security cooperation under the multinational joint task force. On today's final report, France and Serbia have signed a $3 billion agreement for the sale of 12 French-made Rafael fighter jets, as European countries try to coax Serbia away from close ties with Russia. The landmark sale, signed on Thursday, comes as French President Emmanuel Macron visits Belgrade in a bid to bolster ties between the two nations. We're happy to become part of the Rafael club. We thank the President of France for making this decision and for enabling us to purchase the new Rafaels, Serbian President Alexander told reporters during the signing. Macron says that the move will help bring Serbia, which has maintained close political and economic ties with Russia for years, closer to the European Union. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, the viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Microcredit and savings program in Central Region to expand its customer base. Elections of area administrators and managing directors in Gly Subzone. Nigeria and Niger sign security deal. And Serbia and France sign a deal for sale of French fighter jets. That's it for today, viewers. Thanks for watching.